Hey everyone, let's see this question 32. In it we have given a double-ended queue. Okay, so what a double-ended queue is? So initially what a queue is, that queue works in first out principle, where we add elements from one side and remove them from other side. Okay, now what is a doubly ended queue? That you can add elements from both side, from this side and from this side, and you can remove elements from both side. So you can add or remove the elements from both side of the queue. That is a double-ended queue. Okay, now there are given some functions or methods. That is, first is insert first, means insert a new element e at the beginning of your queue. Okay, that is called as D. So let's say this is your queue, this is beginning, this is end. So you can add here something. Then insert last, insert a new element e at the end of the queue. So this side. Then remove first, remove and return the first item of the first element of the D, this side. And remove last means remove from this side. Fine. And now initially it is empty. So in an empty double-ended queue, the following operations are performed. So let's do these operations and see. So let me remove all this and initiate a fresh queue here. Okay, this side is beginning and this side is end. So insert first. So we'll insert 10 from beginning side, that is here. Insert last. So we'll add 32 from this side, so basically here. Then remove first and store it in a variable named a. So we'll remove this 10 from here and store it somewhere. So a is equal to 10. Now only thing that is in the queue, that is 32. Then next is insert last 28. So we'll add 28 from the end side of the queue. So 28 here. Then insert last 17. So we'll again add 17 from the end of the queue. So 17 here. Then remove first and again store this in the variable a. So it will override this 10 and a will become first element. So this 32. And this is our new queue where 28 and 17 are there. So this command has been done. And then remove last, and so we remove this part 17 from the end side, so this, and again stored it in the a. So this will be override by 17. And what is the value of a is? So the new value or the current value of a is 17. So the answer will be 17. Thank you.